Let me show you make a beautiful Neapolitan style pizza. Ciao a tutti ragazzi, welcome back to part 2 of how to make a Neapolitan pizza. Now in this part ragazzi, I'm gonna show you how to open the pizza and put the ingredients and what you need to do and what you need to not do. Alright? So the ingredients you're gonna need is original San tomatoes, and yes, they are approved. If they're not approved, they literally come from San Marzano, from the region where those tomatoes made. They're not San Marzano, so you need original ones. Second, we need the mozzarella frutti latte. This is the original way they did it back in the day, and of course some pecorino romano, the best. Mamma mia, right? With this said, what I always do, I take like a semolina and some farina or flour and mix it together, ragazzi. You take an dough ball, as you might see, ragazzi, look how much it has risen. And always 2 hours before you make a new pizza, ragazzi, take it out from the fridge and let it like rest. So you open it, look, mamma mia. All right, we're gonna put it inside here. If it's gonna come out, come on, mamma mia. This is a dough ball of legends, ragazzi. Look, oh my lord. All right, and look at all the structure. All right, with this all done, we can of course have as well some flour on our board. And as always, ragazzi, try to use like wood and not like metal or glass. So what I do this, and I flip it again so it doesn't, because it's gonna be sticky, right? So let's go, take this away, just like this, 1, 2, and to the board, just like here. This is dough ball. Look, it's soft. And what you need to do, ragazzi, we need to work away from the end and to the front, like this. You take your hands, your fingers like this, and you do not this. You do this. You do it with your palms of your fingers, and you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you flip it again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you can do this is whatever you want to do. You don't want to touch the cornicione. This is what we call a cornicione, ragazzi. So you can flip it again and do the same progress. And if you did it right with the dough, ragazzi, you're gonna feel the gas actually. So what we do, we push in the gas to the corners. So this is what we call the cornicione. So once again, like this. One more time. No, I'm not like they do this method here. Oh my, like this. And they stretch it. Like it's one, stretch, back, stretch. Right? Like I'm not the best with it, but it works. And then you can use your palms as well if you want to, because the dough is very stretchy. Look, it's already. And then again, you can one more time. And don't stretch it too much. Just look. It's stretched for alone. Mamma mia. Yeah, this is like the Neapolitan method. How to do it is like, it's what you actually do. You take it back, stretch, right? So I think this is a good. Whoa, mom, this is like a good size right there. I want it a little bit big. Let's make it a little bigger. What you can do as well, you can do this and let the gravity work a little bit, but only around the corners. Look, this is already good. So let's just, for safety measures, put some more flour under it so it doesn't stick. Just like this. There we go. That looks good. All right. Now what we're gonna do, we take your San Marzano tomatoes, ragazzi. Open up, put it inside here, and as you might see, ragazzi, how you know they are San Marzano? Look, they have this special characters. They're like elongated, and they taste really sweet. So what you need to do, don't do it with mixer or whatnot, do it with your hands. Just squeeze them, just like this. And there you go. As good as possible. Like it's supposed to look like this. Look. And then don't put anything, not like salt, pepper, things, whatnot. Keep it simple. Mix it up a little bit. What I always do, I go, like some people do it from the middle, I do it from the corner, and then like, mix it up, because the corner is always going to be a little bit thicker, and do it fast, ragazzi. There we go. I like the chunks. They're really nice. And whatever you do, don't come too close to the cornicione. Like don't cover the cornicione, ragazzi. And I think you know what I mean when I say cornicione. Like this. And then like squeeze it up. That is good enough. More. Next, you take your pecorino. Put a lot, ragazzi. This is going to give it this nice, salty, tingly flavor, ragazzi. Pecorino romano. How could I say pecorino? Come on. Parmesan. What is the parmesan? Vaffanculo, Parmesan. Pecorino romano. Put it just like this, ragazzi. A lot. It's like the white cocaine of Italy, ragazzi. This is the best. Second, we're gonna take our mozzarella and just do it with your hand and put like some 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I like to do it with the hands. I got just like this. Don't overdo it. Don't overdo it. Just keep it simple, just so that you cover most of the places. Just like this. That looks good. So some people they put like basil on it, but if you do it, it's going to get burnt. So what I do it after. And you can put now olive oil after, and I do it after, ragazzi. So that's it. You take some flour, dry my hands, take some flour, ragazzi, you put on the peel as well here, like this, rub it, and the rest you just shake it off. And yeah, the moment of truth, ragazzi. You do this, and boom, fast, ragazzi, inside. Boom. Now let's see now. 2 minutes, ragazzi. 2 minutes. You wait for 2 minutes and it's got done. And this is like an oven especially made for Neapolitan style pizza, ragazzi. So I just keep it. I don't need to rotate it. I need to do nothing. This is like for beginners, ragazzi. I don't have like, and I can't, even if I wanted like a real one, ragazzi, I cannot because I live in an apartment. In this meantime, ragazzi, we're gonna take the basil. Now this is some special basil, ragazzi. It's not like the one that you know, but it's basil. It does the work. It's like, I don't know, but it tastes pretty good and I like it. I wanted the other one, but well, I didn't have it today. So let's keep them here. Oh, mamma mia, it's looking beautiful, ragazzi. Yeah, come on. Oh, marron mio. All right, wait. It's almost done. Let's give it like a quick look. Mamma mia, come on. Come on, ragazzi. Who's the best? The smell, ragazzi. Come on. Little bit more. Amore, huh? Little bit more. Give it time. I'm excited. What can I say? I want to teach you the beautiful culture of how to make pizzas, not like those frozen shit. Oh. Alright, I think you obviously know that I'm excited, huh? Come on. And if you want to make it darker, you can make it darker, but I keep it like this. Look at the steam, ragazzi, huh? Come on, marron mio. Now tell me, ragazzi, how this does look, huh? How does this look? Mamma mia, alright, look. Beautiful. Let's give it a little bit. I want a little bit more color. We're going for like 30 seconds. Give it a little bit more color. But other than this, it's a perfecto. All right, 30 more seconds. And we're good. Look. Oh, mamma mia, ragazzi, this is what you want. You see? All the air bubbles, ragazzi, all the gas is coming out. And now you look in the bottom. You got the leopard striping here. Check here as well, ragazzi. Beautiful. All right, we're gonna keep the on the peel, ragazzi. Taking the basil. Come on, forget about it. Like this, ragazzi. Let's get a little bit more basil. Come on. You cannot go wrong with the basil. More basil, the more you like it. And then at the end of the day, ragazzi, you can take the extra virgin olive oil and drizzle it like this. Mamma mia, look. Ragazzi. And this is how you make Neapolitan style pizza, ragazzi, at your home. If you have like an oven that can go to 400 Celsius, of course. With this all said, ragazzi, I'm gonna get the heck out of here. Have yourself a good day, and keep it cool and stay awesome. My name is Kasim, Kas la cucina, eh? Not freaking out here. Peace.